You think your dog stopped greeting you at the door because they're being moody, but that's not the real reason. When a dog who used to explode with joy now walks by without a wag, something deeper has shifted. It's not always about training or attention. Sometimes it's a cracked bond, a hidden stressor, or a simple misread signal that's building up every day. In the next minutes, you'll see what most owners miss, why it matters emotionally for your dog, and exactly what to do to bring that light back into their eyes. Remember this: you didn't lose them overnight. You can get them back. Think about the last time they skipped the door greeting. Did you rush past? Were you on your phone? Did you come home and immediately leave again? These small moments stack up. Dogs experience time and routine differently than we do. To them, the ritual of the doorway is where meaning is made. It's the reset, the moment that confirms you came back, that the pack is whole. When that ritual frays, the dog registers uncertainty first, then distance. Here's the first reason this happens. Predictability collapsed. Dogs crave patterns. If your returns are inconsistent, some long goodbyes, some quick escapes, the dog learns the greeting doesn't reliably mean connection. Their brain says, "Don't invest energy in this ritual. It's not worth the emotional cost." That's survival-based economizing. It feels like rejection to you, but to them, it's efficient self-protection. But there's more. Emotional fatigue is real. Dogs carry stress from vet visits, neighborhood changes, new people, or even subtle household tension. Stress dulls reward circuits. The same door that used to trigger dopamine now only registers as neutral. Their enthusiasm drains slowly. You might chalk it up to age, but stress compounds with age, and small, unresolved things become big behavioral shifts. And then there's learned helplessness. If your dog tried to get your attention and was routinely ignored, maybe you scolded them for jumping or pushed them away, they learn the action doesn't change outcomes. They stop trying. What looks like aloofness may be a soft, heartbreaking acceptance. This doesn't matter anymore. So what does science say? Neurobiology shows that positive reinforcement pathways rely on consistency and immediacy. Oxytocin spikes when social contact is predictable and rewarding. When those spikes stop happening at key moments, like the doorway, the attachment signal weakens. Behavioral psychology confirms the same. Behaviors that aren't reinforced extinguish. It's basic learning, but with feelings attached. Now imagine the opposite. What if each arrival became a short, reliable moment of calm celebration? Not over-the-top excitement that trains barking, but a quiet, consistent ritual that says, "I see you, you are safe, you belong." That ritual rebuilds trust faster than any heavy training session. What you can do starting today: come back and pause. Before you unlock the front door, take 3 seconds to breathe. Open the door slowly. Kneel or stand still. Let your dog approach. Don't call, invite. Keep your voice soft. Offer a single calm connection, a brief scratch, a low hey, or a hand to sniff. Make it predictable. Same place, same tone, same 2-second pause before any hugs or treats. This tiny structure resets the ritual and reteaches value. But don't stop there. The midday micro-moments matter. If you've been away and compensate with overwhelming affection in the evening, your dog learns the greeting is inconsistent. Instead, sprinkle short, meaningful check-ins through the day. A calm hello if you come home for lunch, a 20-second session of eye contact and a gentle touch. It's not about quantity, it's about reliability. Pause, because there's a twist most owners miss. Sometimes the dog avoiding the door is protecting you. If visitors bring tension, kids screaming, strangers leaning in, your dog may step back because they sense your stress and choose to watch rather than greet. Dogs are hyper-attuned to your emotional state. If you walk in hurried, stressed, or angry, they respond by being cautious.
The greeting becomes a thermometer for the household mood. So, here's the next crucial step. Adjust your own arrival energy. Before entering, lower your voice, soften your facial expression, and move deliberately. Your dog reads microsignals. If you appear calm and open, they're more likely to match it. It's emotional contagion in action. Let's talk about rebuilding when avoidance has been long-term. Start with short, structured reintroductions. Use a 2-minute formula. Enter calmly, sit, present your hand, allow sniffing, speak once softly, offer a low-value treat if they approach. Repeat 3 times a day for a week. No forcing, no scolding. Keep interactions brief and consistent. The brain needs repetition to rebuild reward expectation. You'll see small wins, a tail flick, a softer gaze, a quicker approach. Celebrate those micro-progresses internally. Don't overwhelm them with big celebrations, or you'll create unpredictability again. Each tiny approach is a deposit in their emotional bank account. Another common blind spot, health. If this change is sudden, don't ignore physical causes. Pain, cognitive decline, hearing loss, even dental issues can make greetings uncomfortable or confusing. If the avoidance is abrupt, get a vet check. Fixing a health issue often restores behavior quickly. Here's something most people miss at the emotional peak. Your dog's silence is meaningful communication, not a judgment. They're telling you about the current state of your relationship. They're vulnerable in their restraint. That quiet is an offer. If you choose predictability and calm, I will invest my joy again. If you've been wondering whether it's too late, here's the blunt truth. It's never too late if you're consistent. Dogs are built for repair. Their social systems crave reconnection. Your job is to be steady, reliable, and emotionally available. If this is starting to change how you see your dog, hit like and subscribe. Do it quietly, like the doorway ritual we want to build. One last insight that most owners never hear. The ritual isn't just about you coming home. It's about your dog knowing the world is still ordered and safe. When you rebuild that ritual, you're not only getting back a wag at the door, you're restoring a basic sense of security that improves sleep, reduces anxiety, and deepens play. The impact ripples throughout their life. Remember the promise you can make today. 3 calm arrivals, same pause, same tone, same small touch. Do that every day for 2 weeks and you'll see the light return. They'll begin approaching faster, their eyes will soften, and one day you'll notice the door greeting is back and more meaningful than before. Your dog isn't just behaving differently, they're communicating a change in their sense of safety and connection. Meet them there. Rebuild the ritual. Reclaim the joy.